Introducing the impressive 2019 Volkswagen Touareg 3.0TDI 231B horsepower VAT receipt, with a host of luxurious features and stunning design. With 75,000 data kilometres on the clock, this 3-litre engine vehicle is a powerhouse on the road. From air conditioning to USB12V Power Outlets, this Touareg is packed with comfort and technology. Safety features like ABS and anti-collision system will give you peace of mind on every journey. And with stylish touches like privacy glass and roof rails, you'll turn heads wherever you go. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us or visit our website at blackwatermotors.ie for more information.